Thanks for clicking on my channel, Joy's Way. I'm Joy. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning supporter of mine, welcome back, awesome person. So today, I want to share with you what I got in my Boxycharm drop sale for Black Friday edition. I don't really know if it's an edition or not, but I bought all this when they had their Black Friday specials. So they sent it packaged very well. So much plastic. And then this is all the goodies that I got. So during this sale, if you spent $50 or more, you were to receive a free bag type purse thing. So of course, I made sure I spent $50. So I don't know any of the prices of anything. I mean, I could look it up, but I probably won't. But I do know that the majority of everything I bought was like $6 or less. There was a few things that I got for like $2, $3. But I got these Elena Badro Luxury Beauty Sponge. I got a 2-pack of them. And I don't know if I'm going to keep these for myself or if I'm going to give them, put them in a future giveaway. I just knew that they were super duper cheap. I think they were like $2 or $3 actually, and I was getting to the needed to find a couple of more things to get $15, so that way I could get my free purse. And then I bought these Luxy brushes, and I got these to go into future giveaways because I have a lot of stuff I can like do for giveaways, but I like to have brushes and sponges or whatever it is that I'm giving away, like accessories to go with it. And this comes with a little sponge, and then these 4 brushes here. I don't know, like, I know Luxy's a good brand. I personally have never gotten these particular brushes. When it was going around a few months back or whatever, I remember in Boxycharm, like, I wasn't one of the lucky ones to get it. And then these were $3 or $4. These are Luros vegan, cruelty-free, hyperallergenic makeup removals, and I think these were $3 or $4. I know they weren't more than 4, and I like to use these. I have not these particular ones, but I have certain. Oh, that's really thick. That's thin, and that's like a medium thickness. I wonder if the thickness has anything to do with it. But I figured for, you know, $4, if I can get enough of these to where I can just wash them weekly, then I can get rid of all my other makeup wipes and little round things. These things right here, these little cotton pads. Like, if I can get enough, then I won't even need that. Alright, and this is a conditioning hair dress. It's called Eden Body Works, and this is, I think I got this for a gift for somebody. I don't really do much with my hair, but it was super cheap, and I have a couple of friends that love trying new products and everything. But this is a hair balm, and that is what it looks like. So I'm going to have to research it, because I like, the only hair things that I really like are the ones like hair scrubs. Like, you put them in your hair and you like scrub them, and it almost feels like it's exfoliating your hair. I like to do that like once or twice a month. But some of the stuff that I got in here, I did get for the holiday season because that is coming up. I got this Rema Beauty Quickie Fix Color Correcting Palette, and those are the shades that they have. And this is a cream product. Now, it's super weird because I'm losing tons of weight. I'm still losing tons of weight. Still eating healthy. I had to make a quick trip to Texas for like a week for my mother-in-law, but I'll tell that in another story. During that week, I didn't eat that healthy. But anyways, I guess what I'm trying to say is that, yeah, I forgot. Totally lost it. Oh, since I've been losing weight and I've changed my diet, like, my skin has changed to dry. Like, I'm pretty much dry now. It's really crazy. Every once in a while, if I'm working really, really hard, like in my T-zone, it'll get oily, but like my whole face don't. So I have been trying out more cream products because that tends to work better for dry skin. At least for me it does. So that is what that looks like. And I'm not going to have to worry about all of these colors, but I know like purple, and I think green will be the two colors that I'll have to use, like in certain spots that I have from what I researched. Like I have a book somewhere where I take notes of stuff I'm not 100% familiar with, because I've never really done a color corrector, but I only got this for like $4, I think, so I figured we're gonna give it a chance. And then I got this, I don't even know what it is. It came in this really huge pack. It's either an eyeliner or brow. I think it's a brow. This is the Star Look, yep, Brow Luxy, or Ultra Lux Longwear Eye Pencil. And that is what that looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I got this for me. Maybe I have anything. Sometimes when you have fake nails on, it's hard to do stuff. So you gotta have tools. Alright, so now that I got that off, took forever. Let's see. So this is what it's gonna look like, and hopefully it is my color. Let's see. Oh yeah. A lot of times I just guess, but that's the color. I think that'll work for me. I'm gonna put it on hot, heavy-handed. Heavy-handed? I don't know, something like that. Alright, and then I got some of these Stay Calm, Give Them Lala Skin Soothing Sheet Masks, and there's 4 of them, and I think these were like $3 or $4. Like, most everything I got was super cheap. There are a couple of things that were a little bit, sorry. I have this thing where I don't like makeup, like I don't want it on me unless it's supposed to be on me, and I don't put makeup on my wrist. So anyways, so these, you get 4 of them. Yes, 4 of them. And I don't remember if I bought these for me or if I bought these to go towards giveaways. I don't remember, because I have sheet masks. So, or it could have been I bought them because I needed to get $50 and I was running out of things that I wanted. And then the next thing I got is this Dew of the Gods Froze Hydroactive Lip Scrub. Oh, I love lip scrubs. Let's see, where'd that thing go? Here it is. Love lip scrubs. I'm almost out. Like, I thought I had way more. I don't know if I gave them away, if I just thought that I had them, or what, but I needed a new lip scrub. That's so cute. I love that packaging. I don't know if I showed it to you the right way. Like, it's been so long since I've done videos. I'm sure I don't do any of it the right way. Good thing I'm not a professional YouTuber. Okay, and then this is what the actual packaging looks like. And then, I'm going to open her up. She does come with one of them lid things. Oh, look at that. And then that is the lip scrub. That's thick sugar. Usually it's not as thick, so hopefully it'll work better. I'm not going to put that on my lips right now because I do that. I usually use lip scrubs in the morning and at night. Sometimes in the, like, halfway through the day, if my lips, like, I don't know if you guys can tell or not. Let me see. But I get really dry lips, and like right down here and up here, it will get like the driest, I guess. It gets really, really dry to like a crusty, and it's like almost like you have butthole lips. Like Raw Beauty Christie said that once in one of her videos. Now that's all I can think of. Alright, then I got these 2 eyeliners, pink and blue, from Illuminati. They're gel highlighters, or not highlighters, eyeliners, so you know what the hell I'm talking about. A lot of my eyeliners are going bad. Yeah, I mean, it happens. If you don't use your makeup, like, I have way too much makeup that all of my makeup is going to go bad before I can use it all up. Like, I would have to, if I wanted to use up my makeup, I would have to sell and or give away or throw away like 95% of the makeup that I have, and then use what I have, and then from there. But I've noticed I got a couple of pink eyeliners and 1 blue eyeliner, and they're drying out. So anyways, trying to, okay, let's do it this way. So that is what that looks like. And then you take the lids off. Ooh, that's pretty. And these are like bright. I like bright. Come on. This one don't want to come on. Okay. Well, it's like it's glued on there or something. What the hell? My hand's just greasy. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. So, that is what them look like after you open them. So that's cool. Can't wait to try them. I really like the gel. I've got a couple of them that are gel, but they dry out if you don't use them in a timely manner. They do dry out. Okay, and then these are Diva eye brush set, so I'm pretty sure I got these also to go in future giveaways because I just don't have any extra brushes, and I really don't need any more brushes for myself. I have so many of them, but that is what that looks like. Them are really thick. I like that one right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I like the brush on it. As much as I'd like to keep these for myself, I'm not going to. I'm not going to. I need stuff for giveaways. And then I don't know if all of these are, but I got a lot of lip products. So let's see, what is this? Oh, I have another eyeliner here by Beauty by Pop Sugar, and this is Up, Up and Away 04 is the shade. I'm not sure. I don't remember getting this. Okay, oh, it's like pretty. Okay, it's like a light blue. I wonder if I thought it was, look at, see what I did when I opened it? Got a little bit on the cap. But, okay. If you don't take it off the cap, it has more of a pointy end to it. This is like a light grayish blue type color. I wonder if I thought it was white, because I was looking for a white eyeliner, but that's fine. I will make it work. That's super cool. What is this? This is, it says Powerful Lip Twist by Zovia. Okay, maybe this is one of those lipsticks, because like, I don't know if you've noticed or not, but I now have a bottom teeth. Like, it took me forever to get bottom dentures, but now that I have my bottom teeth, like, now I feel like my look is complete, and now I can actually wear lipsticks again and not, you know, be like, can they tell I don't have my teeth or whatever? Like, you know, it's a subconscious thing. So, ooh, I'm not sure. This is a lipstick. I don't. Okay, so that is what that looks like. Let's see what color that is. That right here. Oh, that's brown. It is a brown. Okay. I like browns. Alright, so we have that. And then let's see what this is. This is by Yensa. This is a Super 8 lip oil. Oh, I love lip oils. Well, I don't know if I love this lip oil. Most lip oils I love. There are a couple of them that I don't like that will like them in the beginning, but then after a couple of days, it's like it dries out my lips instead of moisturizing them. This is, oh, this is a colorful lip oil. Okay. Huh. I wonder if I thought this was a lipstick. But anyways, that's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Maybe. I'm just having a hell of a time. Maybe I'm just getting old. Maybe my hands are just not working the way that they want. So then let's put that right here. Oh, that is a pigmented lip oil. I bet you I thought this was a lipstick, which I hope it is. I hope it dries down like a lipstick. It might not though, because it does say that it's got an oil in it. I don't know. Find out. I have to grab a wipe. Gotta take that off. I cannot have it. Anyways, that's that color before I take it off. Test it out later. Okay, and then I have this. I don't know who it's from. I don't know if that's Boo Beauty Vault. I don't know, but this is a, I think this is a lip liner. It's a Europe lip set. Oh, it's a lipstick and a lip liner. Nice. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna like that. I don't know if they go together. They're supposed to go together. I don't think those two colors go together very well. I don't know. Let's try this out. So I'm gonna put them next to each other. So there's that. That's the lip liner. And then let me take this off. And then this is the this is a matte lipstick in the shade Natty Nat. That's what that looks like. I don't know. I don't know if I would combine them two together. I mean, they're supposed to go together, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But I do like that because I do like redder colors. And this is like a brick red. I don't have many brick red lipsticks. Then we have another lip oil. What the hell? I wonder if it's a colorful one again. And this is by Vesca Beauty. Because I don't, you know, here's the thing though. Like, I'll see something, you know, like I probably seen the color of this and went, ooh, that's a pretty lipstick, and ordered it. And if this has color to it, most likely it's the same thing. Yep. So let's see what this color is. Ooh, yeah, that's more like, feels like a lip gloss. Ew. Oh well, I can give it to my granddaughter or my daughter or something. I don't like lip glosses, but that is a beautiful color. I do like that. And then I also have this Holo Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and it is the Easy Shell, so it looks like it's a brownish mauve color, which I tend to, ooh, it's pretty. I like that a lot. I tend to wear more nudes because my eyes are always popping, and I like either my lips to be popping or my eyes. And that last one over here is that color. I really like that. I really like that a lot. But I either like one or the other. I either like my eyes to pop or my lips to pop. I really don't like both, so I stick with a lot of browns. And this is Real Her Never Give Up. I have other Real Her makeup lipsticks and I like them a lot. So I hope this ain't a color I already have. Hello, let me in. Sometimes it's hard to get to the boxes. They always have really pretty packaging. Open up. I am just having a hell of a time. All right. Ooh, I remember picking this out. No, I don't have this color. This is super brown. Like, let's go ahead and put some. Oh, yes. Actually, I want to put this on my lips really quick. I like that. So that is definitely a good choice. A good choice. And then for the free bag. So this says it is a Henny and Lev. I don't know if it's like a name brand bag. I don't know if it's expensive, but I do know that it's basic and you can use it to do like, you can use it as a normal everyday purse. If I use this as a purse, this would be a spring summer purse, or I would use it as a makeup bag or maybe a beach bag, or you could even, it feels like it's got, like it's really nice leather. I'm sure it's not real leather, it's probably that fake leather, but it feels really nice actually. But I'm super excited to get this. I don't know if I'll keep it for myself or if I'll gift it, but that is what I got. I believe I got 17 items plus the free bag, 18 items, and my total after everything was $55 and some change for everything that I got today. All right, that is all I have for you. I do hope that you enjoyed watching me unbox everything that I got off of the Black Friday sale from Boxycharm Drop Sales, or Drop Shop, or whatever it is. I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Remember that I do love you. Remain awesome, and peace out, awesome crew.